Hello, my friends, and welcome. This is Katy. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am excited to be back with another project for Imagine Crafts, and today we're going to create another set of note cards. I like little sets. It's nice to have, you got all the supplies out and you create something fun, but these are actually A1 size note cards. These are reserved for R.S.V.P. or reception cards, but I wanted to bring them back around for regular card making because I think they make the cutest little note cards. So the products we're going to use today, this is 100-pound accent opaque cardstock. We're going to do ink blending on the smaller panels, and these are our card bases. I'll give the measurements of those as we get through the video. This is the Honeybee Stamp Zen Ocean. I think that's Ocean Borders. I can't read it from here. Either one of those backgrounds are going to work, but we're going to use the Zen Ocean. And these two stamp sets here with the sentiments are going to come from either Hero Arts or Honeybee Stamps, and I'll pull sentiments from those as well. Now that Hero Arts is from an old My Monthly Hero kit, so use whatever you have. Any little sentiments that you have are perfect for these size cards. So we're going to do a little ink blending. This panel measures 2.5 inches wide by 4.25 inches long. And I'm taking Bahama Blue Memento ink, and starting at the bottom, I really inked up my blending brush, and then I'm just fading out at the top. And if I have to re-ink my blending brush, then I come back to the bottom and let that deep color be down at the bottom so that I have a nice light fade up to the top. Now I'm coming in with Nautical Blue, and I want this streaking. I want the little stripes from the brush strokes. So the key to getting this with a blending brush is start with the brush on your cardstock. Don't start off the paper like you normally would for ink blending because you won't get the streaking. Now I'm coming in with Teal Zeal, and I'm going to do the same thing. And what I love about Teal Zeal and Nautical Blue is that it deepens up that nautical blue, and it blends those three colors together really, really well. So now we are moving on to our stamping. I'm going to take Nautical Blue and ink up our Zen Ocean stamp. And I do ink this up 3 times. I think I only showed a couple, maybe just the once. But I do ink it up 3 times because I want a nice deep blue impression from my stamping and for my color. I don't know about you guys, but Nautical it's always the navy and the white that's, I associate with nautical theme, nautical colors. So that's why I opted to go this route for the colors, just doing a blue and white theme. So now we're going to do our sentiments. Now I just use scrap cardstock that I have, weird shapes, to be able to create sentiment strips. And I use my Fisker's wire guard trimmer to create those sentiments. So here I've got just squares that I had cut from trimming the cardstock to be able to create the sentiment strips. Now these stamps here come from the Mermaid Song stamp set, and then a couple of them, like the first one that I showed stamping, came from the My Monthly Hero kit from Hero Arts. That one there is from the Mermaid Song as well. But we'll show you all the cards together. I didn't go into a lot of detail for each one because they're the exact same cards. You're just changing out sentiments. Now, I did show you that I like to line them up depending on where I want them when I have longer sentiment strips, and just take a pencil and then I'll take scissors and trim them off. I don't necessarily have to use the paper trimmer for that. But I love how these turned out. I think they're absolutely the cutest. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure and check the description box below. That's going to give a link to all the products that have been used in today's video. And I want to thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.